So this is the FPV k200. This drone is pretty cool. It's the first drone that I've gotten, and it's really lightweight. So it moves like really fast. It has the 4 propellers, and here's the remote, and so there's different functions. This moves it, I think, like up and down. This moves it left and right and forward and backwards, and there's a whole other thing, a lot of other things that my husband's going to demonstrate how to use this in a minute. But then of course here's the bottom of it. What's really cool about it is, like, when we turn it on, those lights light up so you can see it in the dark, and then there's of course the camera. So I'm going to have my husband come over here and demonstrate how to use it, and I want him to explain like what the buttons here are for. So just say what the buttons are for.
Well, so we have the ones on the left, which is the drone upwards and down to the side, on the right and left, and then the ones on the far right kind of allows you to do a couple of tricks. You can do a 360, you can do a forward flight, backward flight, and also the side, right side flight and left. And we have the takeoff button right here that allows you, everything is actually included in the instructions, so it's a pretty easy to understand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate. I mean, just fly the drone and
show you guys what's happening. So here here's the on and off button. So we're gonna turn the button on, and then you'll see when we turn it on, the lights start to blink. And I am going to put the drone down right here, and my husband is gonna show you how to. Let me see. So you can see.
So the cool thing is that everything that you have to do is all included on the manual book. So pretty much all done. So I'm probably gonna take it out here.
So we're in an open field, and I'm gonna show you the buttons that he presses to get it off. So
I'm gonna do that.
So that button he just pressed just brings it up. Okay, and then show them how easy it just to bring it down. You press one button and it comes down like really slow on its own.
The landing, and all you have to do is push that, and the drone comes slowly down. So
yeah, and it starts. And then can you start it back up again? And then it just starts.
Alright, 1 second. Start. The grass is too long.
Yeah, the grass here, we're at a field, so the grass is pretty long here. I don't think you can tell by the video, but can you bring it up above me so I can show them underneath? And so that's kind of he's way better at this than I am. That's why I had to have him fly it. I can't really fly it yet. But what's cool about this is that it has it's remote, and so it uses Wi-Fi to show you the video on it, and it's really easy to use, and I love this. It's super fun. Our daughter can use it, and she's only 5, and she does a pretty good job like using it. So anyway, this is our video, and I think it's definitely worth a buy. This is an awesome first drone. And it's really well made. I can tell you that when we first started to fly it, I crashed it a number of times and withstood all my crashes. So, yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope that this video is helpful.